Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand that what are the services of operating system. It means what are the services that operating system provides to the users. So first is the user interface. So user interface means whatever the functions whatever the operations we do, that if you want to select some icon, then we can move the mouse, we can drag, drop, on click. There are many options we have to choose the particular icon, that is known as graphical user interface, GUI. And there are many other interface that there is other that is command line interpreter, which provides operating, which is provided by operating system. Means Windows does not provide it. Linux, Unix, or all other related type of this, such as Linux, provide the command line interpreter interface. So now the program execution is the very important point. It is very important point in the perspective of that interview, the project based interviews. That the program is, if they ask that what are the minimum requirement of the operating system, or what is the most important part of the operating system, then it is the program execution on CPU. Means whatever the program is executing, it has to be first access, means it has to be some memory allocation. There has to be memory allocation in the main memory, that is the RAM, and then in the CPU there is some process. After that, after few topics, after few chapters, we will get understand. Means so it is in the program execution is an important point. And this next service provided to operating system is IO operation. The IO operation means what? IO means IO devices. There are many IO devices: keyboard, mouse, speaker, microphone, many IO devices. Whatever the IO devices has to be do some operations. Suppose keyboard has to be has to type something, mouse has to be do on click, or some other options there are for the mouse. If you want to play music, there are speakers. So all this has to be handled and controlled by the OS. Then file system manipulation means file related, any operations file related to the file is done by the operating system. Means if you want to copy the file, if you want to move the file, if you want to transfer the file, if you want to merge the file, means whatever the file whatever you want to do with the file, it will be done by the operating system. There are communication between the processes. Suppose in the RAM there are many processes in multi-program operating system, that will be learned further. There are many processes. Means suppose there are 4 processes: one for playing the music, one for writing something in the MS Word. There are many, suppose like that, there are 4 processes, that each process has to be done, has to do their own work, and it need not to be disturb the other processes. There is the communication between these processes. And suppose if you are uploading a video or any file, so if there is a loading, and suppose it gets stops at the 89%, and this error is detected by the operating system. It is the very important services of the OS. Their resource allocation, if it means there are many processes, and it has to be allocate a memory. I mean, that is a resource. Suppose there are many processes on the line, and every process wants some type of resource. That will be that means operating system organize the processes and resources in such a way that everyone has to be get proper allocation. On the further we will learn it on the deadlock topics. The accounting means how many processes are there, what are the memory uses of that process, all the informations related the processes, and what operations done by the operating system is there is a data of that. means recorded data, so it accounts that all the information. Now the protection and security. Security means we already know that if you have a file, and if you want to secure it, then we logged with some password, some pin, so it gets secured. But the protection means it has to be protected. Suppose a process means the process has the only limited privilege, means it can do this and that. If we want to do on that unprivileged, that is the privileged work, it needs the permissions. So it cannot directly by their own, so there has to be protection on that. And that is the main very important services of the operating system.